There's a couple known issues with the Yarbo. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, if the GPS doesn't connect, first thing to do is make sure that the antenna on top of your house actually have power. There's a green light on there, and look at your modem connection and make sure that the box is lit up. If this is working, then what you have to do is just unscrew your two antennas, and you can swap them together, or you can just crack them unscrewed like a quarter turn and then tighten them again. Doing this usually is gonna fix the issue and let you reconnect to your GPS. Second, I've been charging my Yarbo for over a week now, and as you can see, the battery percentage is only 61%, and it won't charge higher. If you have problem with charging, the thing that Yarbo recommend and that work most of the time is you're going to have to press your e-stop button and then remove your locking screw and then the cover. After you remove the battery cover, we're going to disconnect your battery. Leave it disconnected like this for 4 hours. In theory, this is what's going to reset your BMS, your battery management system, that is built into your battery, and let it charge again to 100%. The battery needs to be disconnected for a minimum of 4 hours. If you're reconnecting it too fast, then the BMS might not have time to reset itself. And those steps are usually the steps that are recommended to first follow by the Yarbo support center. This should fix most of your problem. Now, if it doesn't fix your problem, contact them, let them know which step you've been following. My opinion is, if it's really cold outside, you should maybe bring that battery in while it's disconnected and not on charge. It's been 5 hours, it's been snowing. Let's reconnect this battery. To power back the unit. Then we'll wait a little bit and see if it starts charging. It was yellow, so you press on the little battery sign and then it forces it to start charging again. And now it's charging, no problem. It's showing that the battery is full. So this little trick works. And when the BMS is out of calibration, what's happening, it's pretty much the battery is fully charged, but it thinks it's just at 60, which, you know, it'll still be able to go do the work and all that. And the issue is that when it reaches 20%, it returns to get charged. And now, because it thinks that it's already as low as 65% or 60%, it doesn't take too long before it goes and have to come back to recharge. It might not finish your work plan. Hopefully those two little tips and tricks help you to fix your Yarbo really quick. Those are fixes that don't cost nothing. It doesn't take that long. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's snowing outside, so I got some more snow removal tools to review. I'm going to make some more video, but if you want to watch some right now, then either click on that playlist on that video beside me,